started throwing oppo, dude. It's kind of sketchy. Like there's ruts going up the face, so you can't really like carve the face.
Or the back table, or the
back table.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna go there second practice. All right.
I'll try.
Crazy fans out there, dude. Tell me about it.
Yeah, the fans are wild here. This is where I got my first 1-1 on 250, so rookie season again. So goals out there. I mean, I just want to achieve the goal of winning a moto. That's really what I'm aiming towards. I've gotten close a few times, got a couple seconds, so it's only one more position in front of that. But I feel good. First qualifying session went well, P1. So I know the speed's there. I just got to put it all together, really. Have a solid day, get a good start, not do what I did last week, and I think we'll be better off. But yeah, so far it's going solid.
Yeah, we got one qualifier at Washougal, and yeah, so far so good. Got some work to do. They're a little slow out there, but overall military appreciation race, and the track is Washougal, man. Slippery, pretty fast right now. Got to kind of hang it out, so we'll do better this next one. But yeah, it's good to be here. It's been a long time since I've been here, so getting the feel of that Pacific Northwest. The crowd's great.
Good day today, first in qualifying, first in both motos. It was honestly pretty slick and sketchy out there, but no, I had fun. It's a fun one. Really feel like I kind of needed this to, you know, get back in the championship hunt. Ready to fight to the end, and yeah, not going to back down. Got to fight to the end, and hopefully we're in a good spot come, you know, the last race and the last round. So yeah. No, good day, and yeah, ready to keep this going.
It was nice to get a hole shot finally. It's my first one of the season. Unfortunately, went down second turn, so we'll say that's not a positive. That was not great, but stoked to get a hole shot. I'm stoked that we're able to get the bike and enough power to get those hole shots now. So I feel like we're getting closer and closer to the consistency of being up front off death starts, and even second moto, another great start. So yeah, I think it was 4-2 for third overall in the day, and yeah, to salvage a podium falling on the first lap is always good. Kind of shows you that you have that dog, and you really gives you that confidence that you can pretty much run through almost the whole pack, falling in the first turn. So I was stoked on that, stoked that I could fight through. But now we have 3 weeks to go back to work. Continue to try and improve myself, my bike. What's nice is we're still showing up each week and still doing all the laps. So as long as we can keep getting better and better, which we have, qualified first for the first time ever this week, hole shotted. There's like little things, so that's good. We'll go back to work for 3 weeks and come out swinging in the next round.